Hey guys, I'm gonna try to make this short and sweet. Finally installed the Sick Bike Parts 7-speed kit. It's 7-speed, but my wheel is actually a 6-speed, so I can only use 6 out of the 7, but it's finally working. Bike is not really done yet. It's got a lot of loose ends, long ass cables, stuff like that. But it works, so let's go for a ride. This should also show you the difference of how to start it versus a 1-speed for you guys that are curious. You can't just ride it and start it. It's kind of complicated. It should start right up right now. Okay. So, let's see. Second gear. Back to first gear. Fourth. Fifth. More fun than it looks. So beautiful out here. Dangerous with one hand, I can't do this. But you can see, during a nice little scenic ride, got the bike working perfectly finally. Yeah, all these little things will get addressed. This bike has just been put together and pulled apart a lot of times, so a lot of things have broken that I've had to replace already. Just dumb stuff. Mostly my air. Alright, hope you like that. Thanks, bye.